The episode starts with Ahilya getting the sweets for Khanderao. He says Malhar would have told you. She says Malhar told me to make your favorite sweets. He really got happy for you. He asks, but why? He wanted to set Gunuji for this mission. She says, you are talking about Malhar and you. You are happy to become a good warrior, but Malhar wants to see his son as an ideal king. He was proudly saying today that Peshwaji and the entire Darbar were in my son's favor. You have won this position by your capability. He was so happy. He is the one who is the most happy. Malar hears them and thinks, amazing Ahilya. I wanted to convey this and you explained him better than me. I wish he understands me. Ahilya prays that Khanderao gets freed from the drinking addiction. She smiles. Dwarka is with Gotma. Gotma says, you did not come to do Khanderao's Aarti. He is going for the Rajputana mission. Peshwa wrote a letter and expressed his wish to make Khanderao the Senapati. The Darbar also supported him. He got so famous so soon. She taunts Dwarka. She asks her to forget everything and have sweets. Dwarka says, I do not want to have it. Gotma says, everyone is watching us. They will make news that you didn't eat the sweets from my hands. Dwarka eats the sweets. Gotma asks her to trust. She will just feed the sweets, not anything else. She goes smiling. Parikshit comes to the temple and prays. Renu and Sarja are there. They make the flower strings. He says, I prayed for Khanderao in morning. Khanderao become the Senapati of a big mission. It's great news. Ahilya comes and says, really, did you pray for him? You are a good friend. Thanks a lot. Our prayers are answered. Khanderao is chosen as the Senapati. Renu also wishes her. She says, you also did many such things. Your achievements are also more. What gives more happiness? By your praise or husband's praise? Ahilya says, I have the answer for this. I feel very happy now. A woman gets too happy when her husband is praised. His respect gives a new color to a wife's identity. Renu cries. She thinks, what happened to me that I asked this? She goes. Ahilya goes after her. Sarja says, Renu did not get so much said before. We thought she has compromised with her life's truth. What happened to her now? He says sometimes the sorrow bursts out. Ahilya comes to Renu. Renu says, forgive me. I said, have I should have not asked that. Ahilya says, I should say sorry to say all that. Renu says, no, it's a good occasion for you. I should be happy for you. I started comparing myself with you. Why cannot I feel this happiness? Ahilya hugs her. She says, it's wrong to express your feelings. She says, it's not wrong to express your feelings. Renu says, I lost. I told Gotma that I will never see your happiness in this manner. Ahilya thinks it's my defeat. I failed in getting your happiness. I could not do anything till now. I know you also wish for a good life. It's your life. I promise to get happiness in your life. This time I would not stop. Parikshit comes and asks Renu to see what he got. He shows the puppy. Renu smiles. He asks, will you keep him with you? She takes the puppy and says, I will keep him with love. Ahilya smiles. She signs to thank Parikshit. Malhar gets ready. Dwarka comes and says, I could never get assured of my place in this family. You tell me, does your daughter's happiness matter to you or not? Why do you treat Gunuji according to your needs? He says Khande Rao earned this position by his capability. She asks, what about Gunnuji and his capability? Your son got against you, but Gunnuji always supported you. Did he get this for his loyalty? He says, it's nothing like that. She says, I came to alert you. You have a right to take any decision, but you will never have a right to get biased between your children. You have to do justice, else one day you will see your daughter's house broken. He says, I never did any biasing between my children. Khande Rao has tolerated a lot because of my anger. You are blaming me after knowing everything. She says, you are not sensible to neglect sincerity. I expect you to punish Khande Rao for his mistakes. If you can reward him for his achievements, she goes, he gets set.